Guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to uninstall Easy Home Screen app on Android. Right, so I'm actually using a Samsung phone, so I'm going to show you how to stop this from happening. The easy mode is just like to help to make it easier, like to make it look bold and easy to operate. Yeah, I actually like this mode though. But let me show you how to do it. The first thing you have to do is open up your phone settings, just like this. And for some Android, depending on Android, so for some Android, all you need to do is go to your apps, right, and scroll down to easy mode. I don't think my Samsung have it, so I'm going to show you how you can actually use it on Samsung. So let's try to search for easy mode. It can be found. So go back to your normal setting and search for it. Easy mode. Easy. Click on that and you can see easy mode right here. All you need to do is just have to turn this off. Click on this place and it has turned off automatically. You don't need to uninstall it. So this is how you can just do it. It's very easy and simple. But for other Android user, all you need to do is you just have to go to your apps. Once you go to apps, you can see easy mode. Once you see that, you can now click on it to open. Once it opens up, you can now click on uninstall. So it's going to be uninstalled from your phone. But for Samsung users, this is the way you can actually follow to get that done. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.